Right, let's open XLX Working 4 and let's go to the View menu and Custom View and Add, and let's type Full View as the name and OK. Now select rows 6, 7, 10 to 12, 16 to 23 and click on one, hold the shift key down and click the other, and then the control key for the start of the new block, etc. And then go to the format, rows and hide, and let's go to the View menu, Custom View, Add, and type Summary View and OK. And now let's go to the View menu, Custom View, select Full View and click Show. Now let's go to the Tools menu, Add-ins, and select Report Manager and OK. You might have to add this feature from the CD-ROM, and then you can go to the View menu and there's Report Manager and click Add, and let's type Budget Report as the report name. And then from the Views drop list, let's select Summary View and click Add, and we want to select 2003 high sales from the Scenario drop list and click Add, and now select that last one from the bottom list and click Move Up and OK. And we could click Print, but for now I'm going to cancel, and let's close this without saving. No. Now let's go to File menu and Open, and select Text Files from the File of Type drop list, and where we can see Notepad text. Let's double click on that to open it. And we want to go next and deselect Tab and select comma as the separator, and next and finish. And let's go to the File menu and Save As, and we want to save it as an Excel worksheet, workbook, and we'll save it as Notepad. Now let's minimize Excel and open Internet Explorer and go to the File menu, Open, and let's browse to our Excel 2K folder and double click on Sales Web and open. And now we want to position them so we can see both, and select that table and drag and drop it onto the, well, let's select all of it and drag and drop it onto our Excel worksheet. And now we can close Internet Explorer. And now let's go to the File menu, Save As, and let's name this sales.xls and save. Now we've got two workbooks open. Let's go to the File menu. Well, sorry, we want to open the other workbook, Notepad, and go to the File menu, Save Workspace, and name the workspace My Workspace. It's mine. And save. Now close both of the open workbooks, not Excel, just each workbook, and now go to the File menu and let's open our workspace And you see that opens both of the workbooks that we had open in our workspace.